What's going on, everybody? James Fernandez here. Welcome back to SOFLO.Overlander. Today I have something that is going to excite you. It's excited me. Something that's going to save you money and time when it comes to cleaning your rig. We all enjoy hitting those trails, but when we get back home, our rigs are a mess. And to date, I haven't found the cleaning solution that has yet to impress me and help me get this rig spotless. So today I'm going to introduce to you the Salty Captain's 4-wheel drive DIY kit, an all-in-one cleaning solution for your rigs. Yes, I'm excited to try this out. Let's see what the DIY kit has to offer. Let's get into it. All right, let's see what's inside this box. Oh, we got some buckets here. Buckets look nice. Another lid. Oh, we got goodies in here. We got goodies. We got a nice little brush. We got another brush. This one's kind of a little bit softer ply to it. Oh, we have the automotive musket cannon. Arr. Let's get this box out of the way. How about that? There's still some stuff in the box. All right, so we got the musket cannon. We got these little drain thingies, I'm assuming for the bottom of the bucket. Yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, we got the Salty Captain glass cleaner. They're a little dirty. All right, we have the four-wheel drive and RV wash. What else? We have the drip dry. All right, and we got the interior cleaner. Interior cleaner. What do we got? What do we got? Tire shine. Well, we all love shiny tires until we hit the trails and they get nice and dirty. And all right, let's see what else we got here. We have, besides sweat in my eye, we have the Grease Attack all-purpose degreaser. Bam! There's a lot of stuff in this kit, guys. There's a lot of stuff in here. All right. We got little pump sprays for the bottles. Bam, double trouble. And let's see what else we got. Spongy thing. I like it. All right, what else we got in here? What else we got in here? Oh, we got a bag full of microfiber hand mitts. Love it. Let's see what these puppies look like. Microfiber hand mitts. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's a microfiber towel and a hand mitt. It's a little DIY Salty Captain hand mitt. We got a nice big microfiber towel. Look at that. Bam! It is very nice. Let me tell you, the quality of this kit is pretty impressive. It's got everything that you're gonna need. Oh, wait a second. We got one more thing here. We got microfiber towels. More towels. That's right. More towels. Garbage in the box there. Let's see what these bad boys look like. Oh wow, this is nice. Look at this. Got different colors. Look, red's matching my red. Purple, gray, brown, green. This is very, very nice. So there you have it. That is the, let's move this up front so you can take a look. The towel, the buckets in here. That is the 4-wheel drive DIY kit. Now we have to put it to the test. All right, she's already looking pretty clean, and I haven't applied the dry solution yet because it's very sunny. I don't have shade, and the instructions state to do it in the shade. So I'm going to wait a little bit till the sun goes down before I do that. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to hit the tires and let's see how that comes out. Okay then, so took a couple days to think about these products, and I generally gotta say that I enjoy using them. The products work very, 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 very well. Did I say very well? They work very well and super easy to apply. So I like the product so much. I reached out to Salty Captain and I got you guys a 15% discount. Yes, I have an affiliate link now. It's going to be in the description below. Go ahead and use it. You're going to get 15%. Coupon code is SOFLO.James15 and you'll help me out a little bit. I'll get a small commission. It's not a big deal. But hey, helps me pay for a little bit of gas when I go out and film these adventure videos for you. So why not help me out and help yourself out? I know you're going to enjoy these products. They work very well, and I'm excited to continue to use them. So try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or reach out to me and tell me what you think once you get your DIY kit and try it out on your rig.